guys, we're gonna unbox. Andito siya, hindi siya nakikita sa screen. But, we're gonna unbox my Hirono. Alam nyo to guys. Before anything else, picturean ko muna to. Hindi ko pa na-picturean yung box niya bago siya malabas sa box. Hold on. Anyways guys, gusto ko kasing picturean yung box niya kasi napaka-cute. Diba? Para siyang barn. Tapos, well, the back's not good, but this one, super cute. May clue na ba kayo kung sino to? For sure, alam nyo na to. At ngayon, wala na naman kaming dalang cutter. Hirapan na naman kami. Bubuksan ko muna to sa kanya. Wala kang key or anything. Tsaka bawal din kasi magdala ng sharp things dito sa office, guys. So, moment of truth. Kasi di ko na iuwi yung box because the box is so bulky and marami akong bit-bit or dala. Bit-bit. In Cebuano, that's it. I have a lot of things I carry. So, moment of truth. Guys, dumating siya bago New Year, which I manifested. And I'm super happy kasi dumating siya. Abot na si ano. Ito? Ano yun? Guys, nasira na yung box, but that's okay. That is fine. And kudos to GNT kasi kahit na overseas siya, kasi from PopMart online to PopMart PH, and I know that they're overseas, came from Hong Kong, right? Kudos kasi walang kadent-dent yung box. So, marami ba siyang bubble wrap nung dumating siya?
Meron.
Guys, good moment. Hala, dumating siya mga kakat.
Why?
May cord siya. Wala silang scissors dito. Maybe we can borrow. Hello. How can I remove him? I realized, guys, that Hirono is like attached. Pero paano ito buksan? Before you go, I'm really bad with unboxing, guys. Oh, ito silica gel. Huwag nyo itapon. Always, keep your silica gels because it can last long and you can use it, recycle it for something. And without further ado, guys, kita niyo siya. Do you see the kitty cheeks? Cheeks. Guys, so furry. This is my very first Hirono before 2025 ends. And I'm so happy. Kahit yung feet niya soft. But yeah, this is what I'm saying. There's like this, I don't know, what do you call this? Nylon. Wala silang scissors. I'm sad. How can I free the Hirono? Scotch? Ooh, there's a scotch tape pala, guys, sa likod. We're gonna do it the hard way. I don't know. So guys, dumating na yung brother ni Skull Pandas. I'll just pause this video for now because there might be people walking around. So hold on. And without further ado, guys, how cute ni Hirono. I don't know about you, but he's cuter than Labubu. I mean, no offense to Labubu collectors, but it's just that it's so cute. I like how soft his fur is, and he has a bear costume. And you might have already seen, like, pictures of BTS V or Taeyong na may dala-dala siyang Hirono sa isang bag niya. He does have like this hook right here. Unfortunately, he doesn't have his own like keyring, and the keyring that I bought for him is left at home because I did not expect him to arrive today. So, walang maghang sa bag muna for today's video. But he is cute. Look. Touch.
Now see here.
Ay, so cute niya. I'm so happy with my very first Hirono plushie. And more to come. Charot. But I'm not gonna collect the figures. Just really the plushie kasi ang cute nila. There. So if you are interested, you can buy from Pop Mart, but I also, if you want like cash on delivery, na legit din, parang nasa China sila guys, like they're from China and they're like resellers, what do you call them? But they do purchase, or you know, they are able to acquire like legit Pop Mart stuff, and then they resell it. Of course, may dagdag na siya, or you know, there's an increase because that's how they get their earnings. But they do cash on delivery. So, if you want that option, kung wala kayong pera like right now, kasi sa Pop Mart kasi, pag nang-check out kayo, hindi siya ma-check out without having to pay. So, I know that, you know, we don't have all money all the time. So, pag gusto niyo yung parang nag-aantay kayo ng sahod, because he arrived like maybe maximum 10 days, no? So, you know, pag malapit na yung sahod and you want to like buy parang COD lang, then I will link the yellow baskets kasi dalawang shop yun eh. Just check na lang. Malalaman nyo naman kung meron. And they have other like Pop Mart din na mga characters like Chaka, Twinkle, sino pa ba? Crybaby, Skull Panda, Labubu. So yeah. So thank you for watching our unboxing. Kakain na si Hirono sa Hoshino Cafe. Bye!